1-ton mini excavator. This small 1-ton excavator is compact and able to operate flexibly in confined spaces. The excavator is equipped with brakes and straddle, which has sufficient power and a long working time. Equipped with hydraulic cylinder, you can install hydraulic accessories to meet the different work content, optimizes the arm structure, simplifies the welding process, effectively reduces the risk of oil pipe damage. The excavator is easy to operate, and the operator can quickly learn to work, saving manpower and cost.